All right, here we have The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. Who's going to be at the door? I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're so hungry. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Who could it be? It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom, and they look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Who's it going to be this time? It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. All right, how many now do they get? That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Joy, and look as good. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Uh-oh, but look, now each kid gets 1 cookie. Who do you think's going to come and what's going to happen? And ring. Uh-oh, it rang again. Who's it going to be? Oh, dear, said Ma as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. Oh, look, everyone has 1 cookie. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Uh-oh. Who else do you think's going to come to the door? Somebody else who wants some cookies? Uh-oh, do you think they shared any cookies with the cat?